storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go.
Hi everyone, Mike here with Mike and Lisa's Excellent Adventure. Today I have a review to do. I wanted to show you. We were sent a 30 amp power cord from Trekpower. This just came today. It is, the brand on it is Epicord. It is, the supplier is Trekpower. It's a heavy duty cord. It is certified. And what I like about it, well, not only does it have this carrying handle strap, but it also has lights on it here to let you know if you have correct wiring when you're plugged in, let you know if you have a bad connection or a good connection. And it gives you this little diagram here to know what the lights mean. So I've never seen that before, so I think that's really neat. I think I'm going to replace this with the cord I am currently using because it does not have that. Although I do have a surge protector that does indicate that, but that's nice to have. I also like the fact that it gives you a handle here, and this is a 90 degree bend on these. That's nice to have. It makes it safer when you're plugging and unplugging, so your hand is away from the connection there. I love the fact that I can just pick it up with this handle. Never had anything like that. That'll be really handy. Since 1990, Trekpower has been a trusted supplier of RV power cords, adapters, and extension cords with warehouses in California. I have been familiar with Trekpower. They have been known in the RV community for having quality products. I was just on their website and they are having 10% off, so maybe now is a good time to check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.